Hi everyone, welcome back to Goms Tech Talks channel. I am Dr. Gomati. In this video, I'm going to show you few journals which are related to chemistry, English literature, forensics and handwriting, applied mathematics, and multidisciplinary journals. So before we proceed to the topic, please recheck it before you submit because I'm uploading this particular video on June. Okay, on the 1st of June. So this might be changed, like you may see this video after a month or after 2 months. So I request you all to please visit the website, that is Clarivate website, Scopus website, before you continue to submit your article. So let me start explaining about the journal. So the first journal which I want to show you is what Australian Journal of Chemistry. This particular journal is indexed in Web of Science, and you can see like what how many publications per year, how many issues per year they are just going through. Before submitting your paper, you have to just take care of few important things. Okay, the first thing is you have to see whether this is under the scope of your article, that is your article is under the scope of the journal. And the second one which you wanted to see is what the issues, how many issues per year. In few journal they might have mentioned about what is the acceptance rate. For example, if the acceptance rate is 5%, which means that if the journal is receiving 100 submissions, okay, then they are accepting only 5 journals out of that 100 submissions. So this is what 5% of acceptance rate. So check about the acceptance rate. And before all these things, you have to check whether it is still indexed in Scopus or Web of Science. Okay, so then scope of the journal, and then issue, and what is the plagiarism policy and copyright policy. And you have to check for the cost of the journal, and then you have to check for any other information like how long they are taking to reply you back after your first submission. And you can just inquire about more about this particular journal in your research circle. Okay, so know one thing, that I'm checking whether this journal is indexed in Web of Science or um, Scopus. Okay, other than this, I don't know whether they are really accepting all the they are really giving you the fast response, because I am not from chemistry background or any other arts and science background. So I'm completely related to computer science. So please check, please cross check. Okay, so if you want to find about the number of issues per year, you can see all issues. Okay, this is available in the website of this particular journal, so you can see. Yes, you can find it from here. If you click from 2010, so if you click on 2022, so they have published nearly 12 issues per year. It is great. So 12 issues per year. And if you go to the about the journal, you can see more about the journal, like what are the where they are indexed in, okay, SCI, Scopus and everything. And you can see about the publishing policy, everything. Okay, and what is the aim of the journal. So here you can see it's for chemistry, polymers, nanotechnology and everything. Okay, and if you want to know about the publication charges, you can click here, publishing charge. There are no mandatory publishing charges. Okay, and if you want to go ahead with open access or colored figure printout, then you have to pay for this. Okay, if you want to know more about this, just click here to know more about the payment for open access and colored print. So let me go to the next one, which is International Journal of Forensics Mental Health. Okay, so this is from Taylor and Francis Online. So this is indexed in Web of Science. Okay, so here you can see a list of all issues here. Okay, in 2022. you can see they have published 4 issues a year, which means that even in 2023 they will publish 4 issues a year. Okay. And about if you want to go to the instructions to the author, you can see the publication charges here. If you click on the publication charge here, you can see that there are no fees, no submission fee, publication fee, or paid charges fee for this journal. And if you want to go ahead with the colored figures, okay, color figures will reproduce in color in your online article free of charge. Okay. And any other thing, if you want to just go ahead and see, you can also check that. Okay. You can also see complete information. So where to find the author information? So this is what the instructions to the author. Here you can see everything. Okay, preparing your paper, what are the article types they are accepting, and what is the guidelines for this, and checklist what want to include, what you should not include. Everything you can find it from here, and this is for forensics. Next one is for Journal of Difference Equation and Applications, and this is specifically for max. Okay, so you can go and check here aim and scope. So you can find the complete information about the aim of the journal, that is pure mathematics and theory of difference equation and discrete dynamical systems, chaos theory. So all about this journal you can find it here. Okay, so here also we are just using Taylor and Francis, and you can see the previous issue if you want to know more about the publication issue. So here you can see the articles. Okay, all volumes and issues. So how many issues per year they are just going, like 2022 you can see nearly 12 issues in a year. So great. Okay, you can try to submit your article. So and if you want to know about the publication charges, you can just go ahead and see, go to the publication charges. There are no fee submission fees or publication fee. Color figures is also free of charge. Okay, if it is necessary for the figures to be reproduced in the colors, you have to charge, you have to pay the price. Okay, you can find it here, everything about the publication charges and what is the plagiarism policy, and all about which are very very essential for the authors. Okay, and also they have the author service and editing service as well. So again, I'm insisting, please recheck before you submit, and also you have to take care of your plagiarism policies and everything. You have to prepare your journal in such a way. So next one is the perspectives. So this is for English. Okay, so you can see the complete aim and scope of the journal here. Okay, and if you want to know more about the instructions to the author, you can see here that this is the instructions to the author, and you can find about the publication charges. So there are no fees, and if you wanted to find the color in the print version, then it is charged. And the last one is what the Journal of Royal Society of New Zealand. So here you can find, this is a multidisciplinary journal basically. Okay, you can find the scope of the journal here, the journal reports. Okay, authors, all contributions. So there are no pay charges and free coloring, printing, article published before quarterly print publications, and everything. Okay, so here you can see about the that is the scope of the journal here. Okay, research from New Zealand authors, whether the research New Zealand or beyond. Okay, so submission from the authors outside the New Zealand is also they are welcoming if the submission has potential to make a significant impact of New Zealand or the adjacent Pacific region. So this is specifically for New Zealand. So if anything which you wanted to explain about New Zealand related topic, if you have taken, so please you can submit in this particular journal. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. So we have discussed about 5 different journals here. um, and if you wanted to know more about any other journal, please leave your comment. I'll be definitely helping you out. Thank you, take care, bye bye.